Hi guys, my name is Madeline.
My name is Arisha and we're with Bay County Extension Office. Today we'll learn about how to cook things in the microwave. Microwave cooking is just the same as regular cooking.
First, we need to put on our apron, tie our hair back, and then wash our hands. Okay, the products that you see in today's video
are not promoted by UF IFAS. They are strictly used for food demonstration purposes. Alright, so now we're going to make bacon in the microwave. So we have two different examples. So this is your regular thick cut bacon. And so if you are cooking this in the microwave, you're going to want to have a paper plate or any type of microwave safe dish. You're going to layer it with paper towels to catch all the grease as it cooks out and drains. And you're just going to lay it however best fits your plate. And it's going to take about a couple minutes to cook in the microwave. You don't want to overlap your bacon strips. You want to make sure that they have their own space. And then when you do place it in the microwave, you're going to want to cover it with something else to keep it from splattering all over the microwave and making a mess. So here we're going to be covering it with a paper towel. So this is another example that we have, which is our fully cooked bacon. So unlike our other bacon strips, these are already cooked. So when we put this in the microwave, we're strictly just heating it up. So it takes about 15 to 30 seconds in the microwave compared to our raw bacon, which would take about a few minutes. But with this, you won't need as many paper towels when you're placing it in because it won't have as much grease since it's already cooked. And it's just a really fast and nice alternative to making bacon in the microwave. Okay. All right, so we just taken both of our bacon out of the microwave. And so as you can see, this is our raw bacon that we just cooked in the microwave. And this is the fully cooked bacon. And as you can see with our raw bacon, there's a lot more grease, which is why it's important to make sure that we put a lot of different paper towels down. And even before you eat, you might want to dab it a little bit to get that extra grease off of it.